The silent visitor. Emma wanted to relax. She had been working hard and needed a break, so she booked a small hotel in the countryside. The place was quiet and peaceful. Only a few guests were there. Her room was on the second floor. It was clean, but old. The walls were thin, and the lights flickered sometimes. The first night, everything was fine. She read a book, drank some tea, and went to bed early. On the second night, strange things started happening. At 11 p.m., she heard it. It came from the room next door. Emma walked to her door and listened. Silence. She slowly opened her door. The hallway was empty. No sound, no people. She went back inside, a little confused. Then, her phone buzzed. Message from unknown number. Don't open the door. Emma's hands began to shake. Who sent this? How did they know? She checked the door. It was locked. She closed the curtains and turned off the lights. Then another noise. This time, it was coming from her door. She stared at it, not moving. Her phone buzzed again. It's not outside. It's in the room. Her breath stopped. She turned slowly, her eyes scanning the room. Then she saw it. The closet door was slightly open. She picked up a lamp and walked toward it. Step by step, she reached out, touched the door, and pulled it wide open. Inside was only a tall mirror. She looked into it. Her reflection was there, but something was wrong. The woman in the mirror was smiling. Emma was not.